Okay, I finally tried YSL Libre and I actually understand the hype now. It is an 8.5 out of 10 for me. And the longevity is pretty impressive. I could still smell it hours later. Wait, this is actually surprising. It smells warm, feminine, and really elegant. Though it doesn't last all day. Still, it's a solid 8.5/10. I'd say it's perfect for date nights, dinners, events, or when you just want to smell expensive. Honestly, it's a solid 8.5 out of 10. I'd definitely wear it again.
So what you just watched is an AI product review UGC, and in this particular video style, the AI creator just reviews the product and gives opinions about it. It's still a form of UGC, that's user generated content, and if you want to learn more about UGCs or you want to explore different types of UGCs, check the playlist attached to this video. So let me guide you, or let me show you the entire script I used to get to this point. So I had to explain what I wanted to achieve to AI. Like I'd always tell you, just explain. That's exactly how I tend to get my prompt. So I asked it to pick any kind of perfume. So the truth is, I don't know how to pronounce this. So I had to go over to Google to ask for the pronunciation. So in case I don't get it right, please, perfume and phonetic lovers, do not crucify me. UGC Libre de Perfume, something like that. So that's the particular perfume brand that was used in this ad. And here is the product review script. This script is going to be available for you. Check my Telegram group and WhatsApp channel. So, and also check the comment section so you can access it. And feel free to like this video, share this video, and leave a comment in the comment section. So here's the master AI video prompt. Create a 30-second vertical UGC style products review featuring confident female beauty. And this is everything, right? But we are using Flow. So Flow cannot create 30 seconds immediately. I wish you're using Sedan, so would have done this in one shot. But since we are using Flow, we have to create it bit by bit. So here is the script. So this is what we are going to do now. We're going to go over to Flow to create our character. Because after this entire script, I had to ask it to give me the character prompts and the voice prompts for consistency. So I'm going to copy this, then click on new projects in Flow. I'm using a pro account. And by the way, I hope you know Google Flow has brought out this student offer. So go and grab it. So I'm going to click on image and I'm going to just use ×2 so I can get 2 options of this character. Then click on create. In the meantime, let me add the perfume. That's the products we are going to be reviewing. So I've added the product and then this is the character we got, but it looks more like a storyboard. So I'm just going to create my character from scratch. Let me just say a stunning Haitian lady with black full afro hair. She wears a colorful dress. She wears a colorful dress. She is beautiful. I'm just being random here. UGC style image, bedroom setting. So I just used the simple prompt for this. So while this is creating, let me go check on our scripts. I can still delete this. Let me just delete this. By the way, I should even do a tutorial on storyboarding for you because it's very important you understand it. So most times I like having this in 2 tabs. Okay, so the image is ready. Actually, I'm going to be making use of this one where she's not holding anything and she's really beautiful. So for every creation we make, we're going to copy these voice prompts. You understand, right? And then let's get to the script. So we could still copy all of these negative prompts. Let's do this. Copy this. Let me paste it here. I'm going to remove this clean animated text because AI is not so good with text. No distorted fingers. And I'm also going to remove this modern bedroom and soft daylight. I would leave it. I would leave the rest. Then for the voice, I'll just copy this. Then we can paste the voice here. So whenever we are creating, we are going to use this. This is constant. You understand, right? This is constant. So next thing is to begin the creation. So let's get to this. So for the first scene, medium close-up of the creator holding the bottle, or should I just say YSL Libre bottle. Nice. So paste this here. Medium close-up of the creator holding the towards the camera. She looks directly into the lens with a slightly skeptical but curious expression. Okay, I finally tried. And one thing is, when you are creating AI content, right, you need to be calculative. Like this particular script of ours, this is what she's supposed to say. Okay, I finally tried and I actually understand the hype now. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to add the lady's image like this, and I'm also going to add the product image like this. So we just paste the prompts, and then we click on create. Hope you understand what I just did right. So over to the next one. Cut to a close-up of the perfume bottle in her hand. She sprays the perfume onto her wrist, waits briefly, then smells it. So we can copy this now, then head back here, and then what we are just going to be changing would be these parts. Let me see. It smells warm, feminine. This should take about 6 seconds, so I'm going to increase this to 6 seconds. Well, before that, let me see this. Oh, I hope.
Okay, I finally tried YSL Libre, and I actually understand.
It's longer than 4 seconds. So let's recreate this. Let me increase this to 6 seconds. So this should do 6 seconds. Now I'm just trying to be very calculative, so I don't want those extra spaces that tends to happen in video creation. It smells warm, feminine without being too much. So we're going to create the next one, and then for the next one, but let me just wait and see these ones first before I go on to create the next things. Meanwhile, like this video, subscribe to RIRAH Creates, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. One thing about Omni Flash is it changes your character. See the character I created. See her glowing skin. Now see me creating it with Omni Flash. My character has completely changed. Let me check out this one.
Let's try this one. It's warm and really elegant. I'd give it an 8.5.
Her outfits change. Why did her outfit change? So I'm going to recreate this. These are some of the things we go through. So let's see. I'm going to say, do not change her outfits. So let's play.
Okay, I finally tried YSL Libre, and I actually understand the hype now. It is an 8.5 out of 10 for me.
Okay, cool. We could stick with that. So let me go on to delete this.
Okay,
So let's see what we have here.
Ooh, what is this? It smells warm and sweet. It's elegant, not too strong. Solid 8.5.
I think it changed my scripts. I'm going to try it again. So let's do this. It smells warm. Why did it change the scripts? You know, AI. Nah. So let's click on recreate. We're going to recreate this. So the next one is ready. Let me play it.
Wait, this is actually surprising. It smells warm, feminine, and really elegant, though it doesn't last all day. Still, it's a solid 8.5/10.
So this JSON prompt is what I use when AI is starting to get crazy. So I'm going to paste this. Though I still want to use Omni Flash. So recreate that. And if you notice, the quality from Omni Flash is completely different from the quality from Light. You can see Omni Flash has...
You know I had to try this one out. It smells warm, feminine.
Omni Flash has this dot.
You know I had to try this. Wait, this is actually surprising. It smells warm.
See this one?
You know I had to try this one out. It smells warm, feminine, slightly sweet, and really elegant without being too much. Definitely an 8.5 out of 10.
So the first video is ready.
Wow, this is really surprising. It smells warm, feminine, and really elegant without being too much. Solid 8.5 out of 10.
Okay, so they actually removed the cap, but I like the slight cut before that cap, before we saw the perfume spray. Let me show you again.
Oh wow, this is really surprising. It smells warm.
See, right? So at least it felt a bit natural. So this is how I'm going to go on to create all scenes. I'm going to pause this video so it doesn't get too long, and I'll be back when I'm done. So I am done with the videos, and here they are. Though I had to create some scenes once or twice. Now what I finally did was I took it over to CapCut, and that's exactly how we got here. So like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for my next video. And if you want to learn more about UGC, check this playlist that is showing on your screen. Thank you. Bye bye.